Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the lifelong beard trimmer for men. So when you buy this product, basically this is what you get in the box. You get the trimmer itself, you get some cleaning oil, you get a cleaning brush, and you get a charging cable. So the first thing you need to do is you need to charge this up, because although there is a little bit of charge when it comes from the factory, it won't have much charge in it. So how you charge it, at the base of it, like right at the bottom, is the charging slot, and you need to basically plug that in. Of course, I'll just show it to you. There should be a light that will come on. I'll show it to you quickly. So you plug in the micro USB at the bottom, and I've got a adapter. Make sure you need to plug this into an adapter, so I've got one set up right here. And once you plug it in, you'll notice that there's a blinking light over here, a blinking LED light, which indicates that it's now on. Okay, so that's how you actually charge this. Once it turns green, that means it's fully charged. Okay, the head itself, okay, there is this plastic attachment that snaps on. So what you need to do is you need to remove it. Now I would recommend, when this comes the first time, before you actually use it, to actually apply some oil. And it's a good idea to do this at least once a month. You just need to put 2 drops literally on there, just to keep it lubricated. So to do that, you need to open this up. Just take a pair of scissors, cut off the cap of that, and just put 2 drops of oil. 1 drop, 2 drops, there you go. Just put 2 drops of oil on there. Okay, and that will actually lube it up. And once you've done that, in order to put this back, again, this just slides right on. So literally just place it like that and press it in, and it clicks in place. So that's how this head goes. Now if you want to ever clean this, I'll show you how to clean it. So say you've been using it for a while, obviously you've got hair that has accumulated inside here. So again, just pull this out, and the head itself actually comes out. You just press down on it, and when you press down on it, this entire thing opens up and it reveals the inside. So this is where actually you take your brush, and there would be little hairs that might have gotten in there, and you sort of brush them away and you clean them. So this is what you need to clean. You can clean in here also, inside here you can clean in here also. Okay, you can just remove all any tiny little hairs that might have gotten in here. If you ever need to open this actual thing up, it does open up. You require a little screwdriver to open that up, and you can actually open the entire thing up to clean the motor part also, if you need to do that. So all of this information is given in the instruction manual, by the way. Do please read that. And to put the head back, just put the back part first and just press down on the front, and it just clicks back in place. Again, take this and this again slides right there, and it clicks in place, and there you go. Now you're good to go. As you can see, this is the power button, and there are different height adjustments. So it has a total of 10 height adjustments that you can make to this. Okay, right there, that's 0, and that's all the way up. Okay, so there you are. That's how you actually set up, and how you actually can use and maintain the lifelong beard trimmer for men. Again, this is the oil, 2 drops at least once every month, just to make sure that this is in good working condition. I do hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.